Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga for today's video. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we were invited by Vista Lodge. Bagong-bagong staycation dito po sa Pampang, Angeles City. And if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ko. Let's go! Power Score! Guys, meron tayong jacuzzi. So this is the back area. Ito yung shower natin. Pero if you wanna enjoy a hot bath jacuzzi, ito yon, pwede dito. Now this place, meron tayo ditong kitchen. Also the table dito na rin. So dito access natin, meron tayong papunta sa second floor. And kagandahan dito, meron tayong living area and currently nag-enjoy mga family. Yo! What's up? What are you eating? Wow, sarap. So, panikan natin yung second floor. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng mga rooms natin. Okay, so this is it. Sa second floor, meron tayong dalawang rooms. Ayan. So here's the first one. It can accommodate a couple. Siguro a family of 3 with a small, kid talaga. So this is it. This is air conditioned. Ayan. And then the other room, dito naman siya. But before you get there, meron tayong CR dito sa taas, which is this one. Ito yun. And then finally, here is the other room. Yan, another bed that can accommodate a couple and a family of 3, maliit na bata kasama dito. Meron tayo ditong mini bar. Ito yung ref natin with refreshments, little bit of mga chichirya and mga noodles and water. Of course, if you consume this, babayaran po natin sila. Yeah. You having fun? Movie marathon? Movie marathon. Hey!
Hello.
Movie marathon tayo, movie marathon. Movie marathon.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys!